Hello wonderful people, this is Rumbi and welcome to another episode of Rosary Princess TV. If you're new to this channel, I just want to welcome you. Thank you so much everyone who subscribed to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please may you take this moment to subscribe. I really appreciate your subscriptions. Please guys, can we just do it? The reason why I want you guys to subscribe, it gives me motivation to make more videos, and you know, I take time to make this content for you. So thank you so much for subscribing. Yeah, so as you can tell from the description box, today what are we going to talk about? 8 important Shona family words that you should know about. Let's get started. First, I have to give you 3 important points that you have to know before I teach you any Shona word. Point number 1, you should know the difference between a Western family and a Shona/Zimbabwean family. A Shona family is a one big family, whereas when we talk of a Western family, we all know it's divided into 2. There is nuclear family and then extended family. So in our Shona culture, we don't separate our family into 2. We just have one huge family and everyone in that family plays a role. So you should know about that. However, for the purposes of this video, I've just separated because this video is going to come into 2 parts. So part 1, I'm just going to give you what is called nuclear family in a Western setup, but it's just for the purposes of this video. And then point number 2, every member of the Shona/Zimbabwean family plays a role. They have a role that they play, so you should know a role that you play as a family member. Whether you are a child, or you are a daughter, you are a father in this family, you are a mother, you are an aunt, you are a sekuru, you should know the role that you play in that family, because roles are very important. They are very important. Even raising a child in a Zimbabwean home or in a Shona home, a Shona family, a child is not raised by one person or just that person's parents. Everyone is involved, grandparents, other people. So all those things are very important. Then point number 3, family is the core or the center of the Shona culture. Our culture begins with family going outside. So that is very important. That's why you see that African weddings / Zimbabwean or Shona weddings are huge. You always say, oh, I want to cut my guest list, and then sometimes it's difficult. You can't do it because you can't scratch anyone. Everyone is important on that wedding. Every ceremony, celebration, funeral, the family is the first port of call. So you should know that family is the center of everything. Once you know that, you're good to go. Okay guys, now you know the 3 pointers. Let's get into the new words that you're going to learn today. Word number 1, family itself. How do you say family in Shona? Mhuri. Say Mhuri. Say Mhuri, right? Mhuri. Family, Mhuri. The word Mhuri is the only word you say when you want to say family in Shona. So how do I say my family? Mhuri yangu, that's my family. Mhuri yako, your family. Mhuri yedu, our family. So you see that word is very important in everything. From the day a child is born to a day a person dies, they still talk of Mhuri. Mhuri yake irikupi means where is her family or his family. Anyway, you now know that one new word, Mhuri. Word number 2 that you're going to learn today, Baba. Baba is the head of the family. Baba just means father or dad. You now know a new word, Baba. So from today onwards, if you are a child from Zimbabwe, I want you to call your father Baba. He will be so happy. He will give you gifts, I promise you. Word number 3 that you have to know about, Amai. Amai is the same as mom or mother. Say it with me, Amai. Amai. That's a very important word to know. Amai is a very important person in the family. She plays a role. Okay, the next word that I'm going to teach you today is the word hanjadzi. This one, I want you to say it with me again. Hanjadzi. 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 You know, hanjadzi. Hanjadzi yangu, my brother. Hanjadzi yako, your brother. So this word hanjadzi, I want to explain this a bit because it can confuse you if you're not careful, but it's very simple. So hanjadzi basically means if I'm like, for me, hanjadzi is my brother. For my brother, I am my brother's hanjadzi. So my brother calls me hanjadzi, I call my brother hanjadzi. So hanjadzi is a word that is used two-way. Okay, if you are female, you call your brother your hanjadzi is your brother. If you are male, your hanjadzi is your sister. Just that, exactly that. So that is a very important word to know. Then the next word that I want to teach you is the word mukoma. Mukoma. Mukoma basically means your elder brother or your elder sister. So if you're a girl, like if you're a lady like me, my sister, for me, I say mukoma wangu because she is my sister. So I say mukoma. You have to know that word, right? If you are a boy or if you are a man, your brother, your elder brother, you still say mukoma because they are elder. Mukoma. I hope you get it. Let's do it again for the last time. Mukoma. Right. Then another word that you're going to learn, which is word number 5, is the word muningina. Muningina. Sounds good. Let's do it again. Muningina. So muningina basically is your younger brother if you are a guy, or if you're a boy, your younger brother is muningina wako. And then if you're a lady or a girl, you say muningina to your little sister. Okay, it applies both ways. So I said muningina just means your little sister or your little brother, right? But now you have to be so if you are a girl, your little sister, that's your muningina. If you're a boy, your little brother, that's your muningina. But if you're a boy, to your little brother, it's hanjadzi. You get it? If you're a girl, your little sister. If you're a boy and your little sister, it's a hanjadzi. That's it. Then there are 2 slang words that I added to this. These are slang words, but people accept them. They use them in a Shona culture. The word Sisi basically means sister. So this one works both ways. A brother can say to his sister, Sisi, Sisi vangu. But this word, by the way, I said it's a slang word, but it's an accepted slang, just like now people call, they can greet each other saying deipi, but all those words are slang, right? And then Bhudhi, that's a slang word again. So Bhudhi basically means your brother. So instead of using hanjadzi, you can still say Bhudhi. Instead of using mukoma, if you are a guy to your older brother, you can still say Bhudhi vangu. You see? And then instead of using mukoma to your sister, you can still say Sisi vangu. I hope you got this. I hope I didn't confuse you. Now, let's learn a bit. Mukoma wangu. Mukoma wako. Right. Bhudhi. Bhudhi is your brother. Either way, your brother is Bhudhi. And that's a slang. Sisi, mukoma wako. If you're a girl, or your sister, if you're a guy, like both ways it works, Sisi or Bhudhi. But however, if we're using the actual Shona word to your brother, if you are female, it's hanjadzi. If you're male, to your sister, hanjadzi. Yes, so that's all I had for you today, guys. I hope you're going to learn and practice these Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate you. See you on the next video. Thank you.